Dear students of class 5A, welcome to my GK class. Today's topic is Name the Sports. Unit 4, Games and Sports. Now I am going to discuss. Some events names are written in the board. Please look at it. One by one it is written: cycling, boxing, equestrian, hurdles, running, short put, high jump, gymnastics, volleyball, diving, swimming, table tennis, badminton, basketball, archery, fencing, baseball, field hockey, martial arts and wrestling. These are the names of different events. And now I am going to discuss about the system of playing. Cycling. In this event, one person can ride one bicycle. This is known as cycling. And second one, what is this? Second one is boxing. What is boxing? Two persons can punch for each other. Two persons punch for each other. Two persons punch for each other. This is known as boxing. The next one, a person can ride a horse. A person can ride a horse wearing a red trouser is known as equestrian. And next one, hurdles. Whenever a person jumps over an obstacle, this is known as hurdles. That means a person can cross the hurdle. This is known as hurdles. And then next one, a person is running. Suppose a person runs. This is running. Then a person by soldering one weightful things made of iron, throws it towards his front. This is known as short put. And next one, item number 7, whenever a person jump over a barricade, jump over a stick with its limited height or with its highest capacity, this is known as high jump. And whenever a person, rings over, whenever a person is sailing from the upper portion, this is known as gymnastics. That means a person can hold two rings. The person can hold two rings. And with these two rings, the person can ring from there. This is known as gymnastics. Gymnastics are of different types, different systems, different shapes. But this system is gymnastics. And next one. Item number 9, this is volleyball. In volleyball game, a number of players take part. There are two teams, two sides. One side play against another side, and this system of game is known as volleyball. And the persons has to lift the ball with their hands. This is volleyball. There is no system of touching a ball with their leg or feet. And next one, diving. A person when jumps on the water, this is known as diving. That means the person has to throw his body or her body from front to back with front to back, just like a stick his body seems to be a stick. He has to throw his body from front to back. This is known as diving. And next one, swimming. Whenever a person, swims on the pond or swims on the swimming pool, whenever he takes part in any competition or in any swimming competition, this is and has to swim. By crossing the water. This is known as swimming. And a table tennis. One table will be there, and in the midst one net will be there affixed with the table, and two players will play from two sides against each other with a plastic ball of different colors, and with two bats, small bats. This playing is known as table tennis. And next one, badminton. One bat will be there, or racket will be there, and one feather will be there. 2 person or more than 2 person or a group of person may play this game, badminton. And next one, basketball. One net will be there where the players who will take part in this game, basketball, they will, with their hands, they will throw the ball in and try to get it into that very net. This is known as basketball. And next one, throwing bow. This is known as archery. And next one, fencing. 2 persons play with each other with a small wings. That is known as fencing. And next one, that is baseball. One person may use one ball and strike it towards the front side. This is known as baseball. And one person having a stick play that very stick with a ball, and try to score goals against opponent party's goal post. This is known as hockey. And next one, and next one, 19, martial arts. One person may try to kick others by using its body strength, by using its style, and by applying this style, by applying this strength over another one, try to make him throw on the ground. This is known as martial arts. And another one, fighting against each other with body strength. Here there is no place of using hands on legs. Here, just like wrestling, in martial arts, we found the person can use only his legs, his arms, his legs and arms, thighs, etc., etc. But in fencing, in wrestling, a person has to fight against another one by using his physical strength. In that case, the person cannot use his thumbs, cannot use his hand. Hand should be used only for fighting, only for showing strength against each other. This is known as wrestling. That means here I would like to see you some pictures depicted in your book. According to that picture, you have to find out which game is this. Number 1, you see here it is cycling. Second one, it is boxing. Third one, it is equestrian. Fourth one, it is hurdles. Fifth one, it is running. Sixth one, it is short part. Seventh one it is high jump. Eighth one it is gymnastics. Ninth one volleyball. 10th one diving. 11th one swimming. 12th one table tennis. 13th one badminton. 14th one basketball. 15th one archery. 16th one fencing. 17th one baseball. 18th one field hockey. 19th one martial arts, and 20th one wrestling. So these are the pictures of different games, different events, by which name these games, these events are known as, already I have discussed. So you have to learn only this much. What is the name of these events, what is the name of these sports, and by watching, but I shall not give you any pictures. Simply I shall give you some sentences according to which you have to mention the name of the sports, name of the events. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.